Welcome to the Night Club, guys. It's your host, the Night Wrencher. Recently, I did a video on the stick welder that I actually used to weld some stuff, and I was very impressed with it, and considering how cheap it was, so I decided to try my hand at another one of their products by Prostormer. It's an electronic battery-powered electric ratchet, and let's go ahead and take a look at what comes with it. So I've got this all unpacked. You got the manual here. It actually comes with 2 batteries, which I was not aware of. One thing that was weird is that although it came with the batteries, it didn't come with the battery charger. But what I realized is that these batteries have this little plug on top, and that allows this charger to hook up directly to the batteries and charge them without actually going through a charger. Whether that's a good or bad thing, it seems very convenient. I really like the fact that they gave us 2 batteries instead of just one. One other neat surprise is that they actually gave us like a little mini socket set. They're just standard chrome vanadium sockets, which isn't anything amazing, but it's always nice to receive stuff that you were not expecting. It comes with the little extension, which are always nice, and then it comes with the 1/4-inch drive adapter, which is always useful. And the ratchet itself, I was actually really impressed. I was expecting it to be fairly light. It's moderately heavy. But probably my favorite feature about this ratchet is that the batteries slide in vertical instead of horizontal. So it actually takes up very little space when you're working on stuff. I used to have an old Craftsman one that actually had the batteries coming in on the side, and because of the design, it had the ratchet right here, and then it had a big old battery right here. It made it really difficult to work on things. When they're set up like this, you have a much easier chance of getting what you need to do done. The trigger itself is actually pretty sensitive, and it is variable speed, which is nice. I think this has a battery indicator. Let's see. It does. Let's see. Oh yeah, there you go. So the batteries are 3/4 of the way charged. At least this one is. If I swap it out with the other one, it's nice that I can do this with one hand, actually. Usually I have a pretty hard time with these batteries. And this one's also 2 bars charged up. So I'm going to put one of these batteries on the charger, and the other one I have it right here on the electric ratchet, and we're going to go ahead and get right to work. The project we're going to be working on today is my 1975 W100. This particular truck has been heavily modified. It's got a 5.3 Chevrolet LS in it. It is also carbureted swap. It has a manual 5-speed transmission, 4-wheel drive, Dana 60 in the rear, freshly installed, Dana 44 in the front, and soon we'll be having a turbocharger on it. But because I'm going to be test fitting the turbocharger, I'm going to need all the room I can get. So removing the front end is essential for me to be able to get some actual work done on this thing. Although it does feel like a very solid tool, it's not that heavy or cumbersome in any way. I was able to get into a lot of areas where I'm normally not able to get with my impact gun. It essentially gives you all the versatility of a standard ratchet with the speed of an electric tool. I've been needing one of these for a really long time, and I finally decided to go ahead and get one. This particular one is actually very inexpensive compared to other things from other box stores. I mentioned before that this is my second tool from Prostormer, and so far I'm 2 out of 2 on satisfaction, and I haven't had any issues yet. So if you guys are in the market for an electric ratchet, don't hesitate. Go ahead and grab one of these. I have a link for them in the description down below in case you guys want to check them out. I'll see you guys all in the next one. Night Wrencher out.